Let's address the elephant in the room. My wig wasn't on right, and I saw this in the middle of the video. So enjoy. Guys, so welcome to another video, and I am wearing my Beauty Forever hair. First of all, it's a tag video. I got top of this hair. Got top of this hair. So if you hear some, I have my fan right here. It can't go on any lower. It's on the lowest speed, and I am hot. I turned the fan off to film, and I was like, I got this thing on because I'm sweating a lot. It's just a lot of things going on over here. So this is Beauty Forever hair. My hair came in this box. It's 24 inches. It's 24 inches, and I'm also wearing a closure, not a frontal, a closure. Oh. So Beauty Forever hair, Peruvian straight. I've been working with them for a very long time. I would say years I've been working with them, and they've never ever done me wrong. I love from the day I started work with them, the customer service, the price points, they're always having sales, and the hair is completely bomb. So I'm just using my Vanity Planet what's this called, like wand, to kind of flatten the top here, right? Alrighty. Alright, so Beauty Forever hair, Peruvian straight, 24 inches with a closure. Need I say more? I have every single thing for them linked in the description bar below for you guys. And again, I am just in love with this box packaging. It can be repurposed for so many reasons, so many uses. But anyway, yeah, so let's get into the rest of this video. Right, I'll rip my sleeves up, girl. Alright, so this is called the Invade My Privacy Tag, and honest to God, I did not look at the questions of these before I started filming. I just refollowed, refollowed You Love Makes, and I came across it. I'm gonna screenshot it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this tag, so I'm doing it. Okay, so here we go. So the first question is, do you wake up cranky? Yes, I do. It's 20 questions. Nice. Would you date an 18-year-old at your current age? No. Girl, I'm 34. Like, but I do like it young and supple, you know. Do you prefer to be friends with boys or girls? It honestly doesn't matter to me. Like, I have a smaller brother. I married a guy, and our first born is a boy, so, or dog is a boy, so I'm gonna say boys for that reason. But I don't know. No, I have mostly girlfriends than I do have boyfriends. So girl, let me just say girl. Would you ever smile at a stranger? Yeah. Can you commit to one person? What I mean, like relationship wise? Of course. How do you look right now? Girl, I look pregnant, honey. I'm pregnant. I well, by my doctor's measurements, I am 29 weeks today, but by the app, one app says I'm 26 weeks, another app says I'm 25 weeks, then 26 weeks, then 27 weeks. They're 2 weeks apart. So I don't know. We're due to have maybe baby in June, saith my doctor. By the ultrasound did at 18 weeks, I'm to have baby on the 11th of July. So that's just how I am. But girl, I look snatched in my Beauty Forever hair and everything, honey. Okay, so it says, what exactly are you wearing right now? I'm actually wearing my mother's like top thing, and I'm sweating. And this cheap like Pinterest even has a hole in it. Yeah, so and Jonathan is right here with me. Okay, so it says, how often do you listen to music? Every single day. Do you wear jeans or sweats anymore? No, I do not. Do you think your life will change dramatically before 2017? I want to say 2020. Yes, it will. Alright guys, sorry about that. My card actually got full, so I had to just go around and delete some stuff. But yes, so I believe I was at do you think your life will change dramatically before 2017? And I'm going to insert 2020, and yes, it will. Are you a social or antisocial person? Yes. I'm an in-between. Like when I'm around my friends, I'm hella sociable. But if I'm in like a new environment, well, it depends. If I'm in a new environment by myself, then I will generally stay to myself. But if I'm in a new environment with friends, girl, it's about to be a party. If the person you like, say they like someone else, what would you say? Well, okay, so I'm assuming I'm not married in this tag. But I would obviously feel away because I like the person, and I would play that crap off, man. I'd be like, yeah, boy, like, she's so cool. Like, yep. Sure. All alone. Are you good at hiding your feelings? No. Girl, this is my feelings. This is my sleeve. Can't you see them? They on my sleeve, boo boo. No, I can't hide nothing, honey. Can you drive a stick shift? No. Oh well. I drive a one stick shift. Do you care if people talk badly about you? Yes. Are these like trick questions? Are you going out of town soon? No. Because I'm due to have baby in like 2 months, so no. When was the last time you cried? Yesterday in church, girl. Girl, I was. Jonathan, I'm coming. Girl, I was bawling my eyes out. Hi, Jonathan. Jonathan, as soon as I'll soon come. Only have a little bit of questions, leave, okay? Have you ever liked someone you didn't expect to? Yeah. If you could change your eye color, would you? Yes. I would definitely have gray eyes. Name something you have to do tomorrow. Get that money, honey. I'm joking. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. The vlog, it's done. Excuse me. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. So that's what I'm set to do tomorrow. So my doctor's appointment, and yeah, that's about it. Doctor's appointment, drop off something from my grandmother, pick up something from my grandmother, then I think run some errands, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay, so this tag video, thank you so much. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to You Love Megs for doing this video. Oh my god, I've really fallen in love with her. If you guys want me to do a video on people who I watch, like, comment, subscribe, like who I'm subscribed to, let me know. I would definitely do that for you guys, just to show you guys where I draw my inspiration from. I'd love to do that for you guys. But listen, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. It's been amazing just being here with you guys, talking to you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see this video. At this point in time, I really hope I can do some cool edits. I really hope my laptop is up to it, and I have to go. Bye guys. Hello, is up, Baba.